What's up guys? Today I'm going to present you something a little bit different than usual. Namely the cutting revolution from Tefal. Well, any gamer needs to eat. And maybe you are one of those who doesn't like to cut the onions or the vegetables. Therefore, I searched over the internet and I found this device, let's say it like that. It's called the cutting revolution from Tefal. It comes in a box like the one that I'm showing you right now, and I'm quite eager to see how this device will perform in cutting my vegetables and if it's really worth it. Well, from the first look, this looks like a nice package and it's quite robust. Therefore, I think the inside content it's still okay. It says that it can't be plugged to electricity, so it's a manual device. The finish of the device is quite good. I can tell by the handle because it's from a thick rubber, and it has also a rubber band on the back of the device. Well, this device also came with a user manual that has multiple languages, and it can be consulted for various things that you don't understand about this device too. Anyway, I don't think there will be the case because it's a manual device. You just need to pull hard on the handle, and I think the vegetables will be cutted. Well, just for the sake of demonstration, I will try to cut an onion. And first I need to cut the onion in half because it will not fit inside of the device. So you just need to cut the vegetables in smaller pieces to be able to fit them inside, and like I'm doing it now, and put the top back of the device. Then the next thing to do is to pull hard on the handle and try to see what it will happen. Okay, it seems that it requires quite a lot of strength, especially if you don't put the device on the table and you want it to show it on the camera like I'm doing it now. Okay, it is a little bit stubborn, but I think it will work finally. Yeah, here we are, it worked. And it seems that it's doing quite a good job on that. So I think for onions it's good, but for like carrots I don't think this will work very well. And this was only one onion, or maybe I should cut it in more pieces. Well, here we are. If you know other devices that are interesting or funny and you want to share them with me, put a link to them in the comment section, and maybe I will make a video with the best devices that you will share with me there. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and see you on the next video. Bye!